Rita, do you want to do my makeup?
This is my beautiful sister Rita. Welcome back to my channel. I just had to jump in to introduction while she was making a lovely appearance. I think we feel centered enough now to continue our...
Actually, kind of helped.
Yeah?
That's the worst part.
Since I made myself into Elsa a few months back, I thought it would be really fitting to turn my sister Rita into Elsa's sister Anna. And actually it's extra fun for us to make this tutorial because we're Norwegians and Frozen was inspired by Norway.
Which we totally understand, as Norway is a winter wonderland. It's so beautiful with all
really
the mountains
and
and
the
the
fjords.
fjords. Oh, but it's very cold though.
Yeah, but obviously the cold doesn't bother us anyway. Ready to begin the transformation. Rita is wearing Lens Story Twilight Blue Turquoise lenses from Oh My Kitty. You can decide yourself if you want to use your own eyebrows or to cover them, but I prefer to cover them to have a clean canvas to help you place your eyebrows in the same proportions as the character to look even more like her. I'm actually planning to do an in-depth tutorial on how to cover eyebrows, and I will add a link in the description when I do.
Well, girl! Oh my god.
After priming the skin, I'm using Rimmel Lasting Finish Foundation in Ivory. After using the foundation on your eyes, draw a new crease. I'm using NARS Mambo eyeliner. Anna's lid shape starts off going up quite straight with a slight curve, then a quick bend followed by a slight curve again. Soften the line. Fill in the crease using MAC Chromaline in white. Then use a pale skin-colored eyeshadow on the crease and above the line. Follow with a medium brown eyeshadow on and above the new crease to fade it out. And then redefining and darkening the line using Bobbi Brown Cocoa eyeshadow. Use a gel liner such as Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Eyeliner in black ink to draw a new line with a short wing out in the corner. To open the eyes, use a white kohl liner and apply it to the outer and inner corner of the waterline, leaving out the middle part. Then extend it down on both sides. And even though I am the Snow Queen, I'm going to play with fire today because it's a little trick that I have to intensify the color. To do this, you simply hold it right under the flame for a split second. This slightly melts the eyeliner and intensifies the color. I'm applying it just below the iris to make it appear larger using Debonair eyeliner by Illamasqua. I'm then going back to the black eyeliner and drawing a straight line starting below the white kohl liner at the corner, extending it slightly beyond the eye. Then I line up to meet the top eyeliner. I'm then using the medium brown color on the edge. Olaf, you're in the shot!
Uh-oh.
Curl your lashes and add a layer of mascara. On top, I'm applying the Remy 79 lashes, which are actually the same ones that I used in my Elsa tutorial, but I'm also adding the Remy 101 that are more rounded to emulate Anna's lashes. Also use bottom lashes to open your eyes even further. And now that you have spent some time looking like Lady Gaga, it's time to add some eyebrows. Use a reddish brown eyebrow pencil, such as Stylized by MAC, to draw Anna's eyebrow shape. They are quite straight and thick. Anna's eyebrows are bushy and not defined, so when you're happy with the shape, use a concealer on a flat brush and add lines into the eyebrow. Using a flat nail art brush, I'm mixing the brown, orange and black colors from the Wolf Face Art and FX palette to draw eyebrow hairs with. To contour, I've mixed Bobbi Brown foundation stick and alabaster with Crayolan TV stick in white to highlight across the top of the nose, on the cheekbones and between the eyes and eyebrows. Then blending it using the MAC 188 brush. Shade your cheeks. I'm using Screen Face Face Cream Foundations. I'm using MAC Eyebrow Pencil in Fling for precision when contouring the nose. Anna has a button nose, so I'm shading across and underneath the nose.
Olaf.
Blend it and also draw 2 lines on both sides of the tip of the nose and blend. To create Anna's freckles, I start off by mixing the brown and orange color from the Wolf palette into quite a watery mixture. Make sure you cover your eyes with your hand, then flick on the color with a brush to create fine speckles.
You're really jumping.
Then use a pointed brush to draw on bigger freckles in all shapes and sizes. Natural freckles are rarely completely round. Make sure that you concentrate the freckles where you did the contouring to emphasize it. I'm then going over with a slightly damp sponge to blend them into the skin. I'm then using the Chanel translucent powder sparingly over the top and on the rest of the face. As Rita's lips are bigger than Anna's, I'm covering them with foundation and reshaping them using Dervish Lip Pencil by MAC. If my sister will let me, of course. Then Armani lipstick in 606. Anna's cheeks are pretty flushed from being out in the cold, so I'm starting with Bobbi Brown in Nectar, on the apples of the cheeks blending outwards, underneath the nose, then squeezing the hairs of the brush to fan it, and adding some to the bridge of the nose. Then repeat using NARS Exhibit A. Finish off with a reddish wig where I've attached a small blonde weft. Then do plaits on each side.
Hello, well, my sister Rita. I think if people saw us together walking down the street, I don't think they would be immediately thinking, oh, they're definitely sisters.
No one thinks that, actually.
No, no one thinks that.
Or, you know,
Much.
people just think we're friends. Best friends.
Yes.
And we are!
Yes.
Take your ears out. Like this. Like, come on. Now we look alike.
Okay.
Except she is blonder than me in several ways.
Norwegian pattern.
Yeah.
That is actually mine that my stepmom made me. Not all stepmothers are evil. Some stepmothers knit. Very nice.
Yeah,
Jumpers.
because if they knit, they're not evil.
Evil knitting stepmothers does not exist.
No.
That's a
Yeah.
fact. I think I have to do a lot of editing in this video.